Welcome to ResNexus. In this video, we are going to go over the front desk overview. Once you've logged into ResNexus, navigate to the left main menu, and next to the Operations option, select the arrow to view the submenu. Then we're going to click on Front Desk. This page allows you to view all reservations taking place on a specific date. Across the top, there are several options for changing the display settings. To change the date that you are viewing, you can either click on the calendar and select the date, or use the arrows to the left and right to select new dates. The Start Typing to Search will allow you to search for a specific guest. For a simple version, select the Low Detail. To see more information about the guest, select the High Detail. Status allows you to view your guests by either guest name or room name. To see notes, you can select Full Notes, Short Notes, or turn the notes off. If you are viewing the status by guest, you have the option to sort by first name or last name. Then we can view all, view arrivals, departures, and stayovers. We can see that we have 2 guests arriving today, and we can view their information here. To check a guest in, you'll simply check the box next to the reservation icon, and the guest has now been checked in. Here we can click into the reservation. We can view all the guest details. If the payment section is red, money is due on the reservation. To collect payment, simply click on the total due, which will bring you to the Add Payment page where you can charge the card on file. If the payments shows as green, that means they are completely paid up. You can see any preferences or reservation notes on this reservation. Scrolling down, we can see all of our stayovers. And at the bottom of the page, we can view the guest status. We can see how many people are arriving, how many have already arrived, the number of stayovers, number of departing, and the total guests on site. We can also see our guest numbers for morning and evening. If you would like to print out this page, you'll navigate to the very top and click the Print option. Thank you for learning more about ResNexus.